Bula everyone, Baron Bruno Professionals Real Estate, and we're looking at a sleeping giant right here in Fiji. Come take a look. Look at that. You can see his nose, his chin there, going down all the way, his hands across his chest, all the way down to his feet just there. That's right. Bula everyone, Baron Bruno Professionals Fiji Real Estate. That is the sleeping giant mountain right there. Simbeto all in here. Beautiful day, sunny skies. Hey, we have a good friend with us, hanging on Fiji time, eh? Whee! All right, hey, we have an amazing property here for you. This is right off the Nadi back road on the main island of Viti Levu, and there are 333 islands in Fiji, if you didn't know that. And Viti Levu is the main island. We're less than 15 minutes from Nadi International Airport. So if you're watching this from anywhere in the world and you're flying to Fiji, you would be about 15 minutes away from this property. And this thing is awesome, super unique and incredible. And I'm gonna tell you about it here. It's actually on freehold land, just over an acre. Freehold land. Here you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. You have a shared pool. I'm telling you right now, I'm a little warm and I would love to dive right into that. Nice water feature there. Beautiful views. We are on mains water, mains power. We have septic systems. We have 4 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartments right here. And you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house right here, which is currently being rented out long-term, and it's now on a month-to-month rental. And then you have right down there, that white house is a caretaker cottage. So you have people that are looking after the property here. There are 4 staff. And then that roof line right there is actually the main house, 3-bed, 3-bathroom. And so all of this is on one property, and you have heaps of car park places. You can see up here, you have the motion sensor solar lights, and then all the mains power poles coming in here. So the buildings are all pretty new. So the original house down below was built in 2007. This blue, really cute covered patio house off the right was built in about 2010. And then these apartments over here in about 2019. So I'm gonna walk you around and I'm gonna show you this incredible property. A lot of people come to Fiji and they ask us about rental properties, Airbnbs, something where they can actually have rental income, and then they can also have their own property if and when they come to Fiji. And this ticks all those boxes. And it's freehold. So it's fully fenced, as you can see. Nice, cute lights here. Look at these great views. Look at that. Oh, we caught a lot of rain here the last few weeks, but man, it's just super green. You see a lot of sugar cane growing out there, beautiful palm trees. There's that sleeping giant Simbeto. There's a great mud baths over there, as well as the famous Garden of the Sleeping Giant that was formerly owned by American actor Raymond Burr, who actually owned also the Fiji Orchid Hotel. Fun facts for you there. So, and a lot of Hollywood celebrities and people are still coming back to Fiji quite aggressively now. So they know this is the place to be. So I'm going to walk you through here. You can see you have a laundry unit here. Just inside, have a little 4 gas burner stovetop custom granite here with upper and lower cabinets. Nice little mini fridge and micro kettle and toaster there. You have a nice little light. Look at that. That's cute. Aircon, high ceilings, beautiful wood beams with the recessed LED lights. Nice little flat screen TV. Great places to sit and chill out, entertain. And I'm going to show you this back patio here. Check this covered out patio and just absorbing these views. So all 4 of these 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartments have these just spectacular views. There's a nice little covered bure there for people to chill out and hang out. And I'm going to show you this pool again. Look at that thing. Sweet. All right, so this is where you get a lot of rental income. And so I'm going to show you through all nice tiled, really low maintenance. And they have a staff that comes with the property. So if you want to bring your own, do it yourself. Or the great thing is this is a turnkey business operation. You can see some built-ins and, again, more air cons in each unit. So that's one of the 4 units that we have here on site. All right, oh look, he's chilling on Fiji time, singing a lenga, no worry, no hurry. All right, let's go. Let's keep rocking and rolling, everybody. To find out more, we'll actually have the Airbnb and rental income figures for you as well. So if you're a business person and want to know what that looks like, this person over here is on a long-term rental, about $1,300 a month over there. I think it's 12 or 1,300. And then the nightly rates are about 240 Fiji dollars per night for these 4 units, and that's per unit. So lots of income here, and I'm going to take you down. And you can see the building very well constructed. Here's where you can come out. Look, they even have a little barbecue set up over there. Nice. You can get a little Fiji time hanging out here playing on the grass. Maybe set up some horseshoes or bocce ball or something kind of fun with your friends. And this is a perfect opportunity for somebody, if you have a big family looking to come to Fiji full or part-time. This just really ticks the boxes. And you have the gated here, the electric gate, and there are more of the solar lights. So you have all this parking as well too. So this is kind of being run, you know, like a little business. You have your rental income and the property's up top, and then you have your own 3-bedroom, 3-bath property down here, which the owner is using as his family property with the caretaker cottage just over here. And I'll get you a better look. And you can see, oh, there's those beautiful frangipani or plumeria, as they say. And wow, look at all these banana palm trees. See all those right there? That is where bananas come from. So yeah, you can walk that way. Look at that, beautiful palms. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through here on the 3-bedroom house. And we're gonna come inside. And I'm gonna open this up. And so we have 3-bed, 3-bath here. Get some lights back on. So here's one of the bedrooms. You can see they all have the nice vaulted ceiling, these beautiful beams. Nice huge bathroom here with the shower enclosure. That's really nice. And there's heaps of storage in these places as well. And you have access to the covered patio over here. Ulebinaka! And then here's your 2nd bedroom. And a nice thing about this house is they all have the en-suites. And the good-looking realtor may or may not come with the property, so you might have to pay more for that one. Again, more aircon. There's those recessed LEDs. Nice furniture in here. And then this is the 3rd room with the ensuite off the back, and they're just using this as a bath or a office right now. So you could end up using this, and you can see they have the CCTV cameras set up there as well, and they have a little home office here with the printer. Great sitting area, and then here's 4 gas burner stove top from Whirlpool, double sink, and you have the Singer Micro Simpson oven, and then you have the Simmons washer dryer and fridge, Hitachi fridge and freezer combo. So that's the 3-bedroom, 3-bath house down below. And I'm gonna bring you back over through here. Well manicured house, beautiful property. Great people here, awesome staff. Vinaka, thank you. She's hanging under the mango tree. We're waiting for these mangoes to get here. Where are they? And look at that. So these trees here, these mangoes are spectacular. And there's so many different varietals of mangoes. There's some more of these bananas, banana palm trees. Oh, look, there's even some bananas here. I'll show you really quick. So find out more about this. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051 or on WhatsApp at +1 480 444 6688. And you can find out more about this unbelievable property. We are less than 15 minutes from Nadi International Airport. And from there, you can get to all the domestic locations here within the Fijian Islands. And you're probably about the same, about 15 minutes or so from Denarau Island, where we're located. And that's where you'll catch all the boat transfers to the various hotels in the Mamanuca and the Asawa Islands. And some great diving here. As you probably, if you watch my videos, you know that Fiji's famous for their soft coral diving. And of course, you can swim with the sharks here if you're adventurous in Benga Island, and go up to the Sawas and actually dive out there with the manta rays. And of course, great fishing and boating. And the zip line's really close by. Lots of great restaurants. We're near the Nadi back road, so you got to go see Zorro at the coffee hub. another sort of famous celebrity friend of ours. Really great pastries and probably some of the best coffee there. And you even have South Pacific coffee that's right there too. So Fiji is rocking right now. It's beautiful here today. I hope you're smiling and enjoying yourself, because this is a really, really amazing property. And if you're looking for generating income and coming to Fiji, this could be a winner. All right, let's go back up and see VJ, and we're gonna go check out some more amazing properties here in Fiji. And I just want to give you another good look at this fully fenced property. And this is, again, the 4-unit, 2-bed, 1-bath, the 2-bed, 1-bath house off the other end with a shared infinity edge swimming pool there, and then the 3-bed, 3-bath ensuite and these spectacular views. All right, and we'll go back to that sleeping giant over there and let him get some rest. All right, see you guys soon. All right, Vinakavakalevu. Thank you very much. Modemada. See you soon. Bye-bye.